Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to factory reset Google Pixel 10. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your Google Pixel. In Settings, scroll down and tap System. Again scroll down and tap Reset Options. Here you will see Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Tap Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. You can erase eSIMs if needed or tap Erase Data. You need to enter your verification code to confirm it's you. Are you sure you want to erase all data? All your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You can't undo this action. Tap Erase All Data. You will see your phone will restarting, and after restart you can see Google logo. That's it. All data erased and your device factory reset. So these are the steps to factory reset Google Pixel 10. For this video, I am using Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.